Good morning from the beautiful hostel in Bar Manzano in Castrojeriz, Spain. Quiet night last night. The room was a good price, same with dinner and such, and it's in a great area. This place is a must-stay. Right across, one of the many sights that you need to see here. I'll probably walk around for an hour this morning and enjoy it. So feeling good. Put in a whole bunch of miles the last couple of days just because I feel like walking. Who knows where I'll end up today? I know it's probably one of three places because it'd be about 15 kilometers after that, and I don't want to walk 37 miles today. So, feeling great, feeling happy, feeling good on this journey, and let's see what the far end of the day brings. See you down the road. Nice cool day so far. A little bit of a challenge up ahead. Some elevation gain up that hill. I'll maybe use mom's strategy of kind of walk a telephone pole, run a telephone pole, just do short jogs and slow walks. Get me up there a little more quickly, more efficiently. So, we'll see how that works out. Well, made it up that hill at a 4.5 mile an hour pace. Or a 4.5 kilometer per hour pace. And get this beauty for it. Incredible.
Estaba buscando una canción entre recuerdos. No tuve una mejor opción que conciliar los desacuerdos entre mis miedos que me arrastran sin dirección y los sueños que nos mantienen cuerdos. Estaba callando una obsesión para entender los porqués. Es tal vez una visión que nos nubla el pensamiento. Y mientras tanto
nice long walk in the countryside. It has changed a whole lot from province to province. Right now in Boadilla del Camino. I think, oh goodness, I probably have about 5 more miles, 8 more kilometers after this. But it's been a joyful day for hiking. A lot of people out. Good stuff. Pretty much thinking most of the pilgrims that I had sight of would stopped in Boadilla del Camino and are done for the day. I know a couple of folks are going the next town on. I've got the next town after that. Forget the name exactly, but made my reservation a little late in the afternoon. I didn't know how far I wanted to walk. So, on the way out of Boadilla, no one in sight. At least there's shade trees. Well, this will be my stop for today, Poblacion de Campos. The last town there was a festival in, but I just really didn't want to stay for that. I'm not great into crowds, so here we go. There wasn't anybody in front of me or anybody behind me for peregrinos, so that would explain why everything was filled up in the last town and the hotel rooms were about double what you'd think the price was. So a couple hundred more yards and then I'm here. Rolling hills on either side of these places. It's gone to more flat terrain. Again, absolutely beautiful. That would be me, Hotel Rural, Amanecer en Campos. Well, we're good then. Looks just like the picture. So this is where my day will end.